to today's vlog.
Thinking about me every night, oh, is it that sweet I get so? Say you can't sleep, baby, I know that's that me espresso. Move it up, down, left, right, oh, switch it up like Nintendo. Say you can't sleep, baby, I know that's that me espresso. I can't relate to desperation. My kids are damn, are on vacation, and I got this one boy, and he won't stop calling. When they act this way, I know I got too bad your ex don't do it for you. Walked in and drinking truly for you. So I stand and I perfume for you. Yes, I know I'm nothing to do it for you. Yes, that morning coffee brewed for you. Yes, one touch and I brand new it for you. Now he's thinking about me every night. Oh, is it that sweet I get so? Say you can't sleep, baby, I know that's that me espresso. Move it up, down, left, right, oh, switch it up like Nintendo. Say you can't sleep, baby, I know that's that me espresso. Is it that sweet? I guess so. I'm working late, cause I'm a singer. Oh, you look so cute. Wrapped around your finger. My twisted humor. Make it laugh so often. My honeybee. Come and get this falling. Too bad your ex don't do it for you. Walked in and drinking truly for you. Soft skin and I perfume for you. Hey, hey. Oh, yes, I know I'm nothing to do for you. Yes, that morning coffee brewed for you. Yes, one touch and I brand new it for you. Now he's thinking about me every night. Oh, so that's sweet, I get so. Say you can't sleep, baby, I know that's not me espresso. Move it up, down, left, right, oh, switch it up like Nintendo. Say you can't sleep, baby, I know that's not me espresso.
Gym for a little late night workout. So I'm actually just gonna wear this to the gym and yeah, call it a night.
Say you can't sleep, baby, I know that's that me espresso. Is it that sweet I get so?
Hey, today's a busy day. I have a lot going on. So I have to go to Walmart today. I need to go to the mall to return stuff. I need to go pick up Brie right now. She just got her hair done as well. Tomorrow, Christian and I are going for a little mommy-son date. Super cute. My son asks me on a date every so often, like, can we go out somewhere? And we go like kind of get dressed up and we spend time together. Unfortunately, he rolled his ankle yesterday at soccer practice. So he was supposed to have another soccer practice today, but he's gonna have to miss it. So he's at home. He's downstairs resting. I need to go get Brie. And then I have to go to I have to work out at some point today, which I'm probably not gonna save till later on. Oh, I gotta go get pre-workout. I'm out of my pre-workout. Yeah, I have been getting through my workouts now, but like I need pre-workout for when I hit my luteal phase. You know, when I'm not feeling as good, I'm gonna need my pre-workout at that point in time just to like push through. But I've been getting through right now, so I need pre-workout. Ooh, I also want to go to the health food store because I want to get this tea, TMI. But I think I'm backed up. Like I think I need something to like. I'm going, but not like. There was a point when I was like at my peak health. Like my peak where I felt the best. I was going to the bathroom every morning. Like every single morning I was going. Like a good amount. I know this is TMI, but just listen. I was going like a good amount and then in the morning, and then I would take a shower and I'd be good for the rest of the day. I don't know how to get back to that. I'm trying to get back to that. I'm going, but I'm not going as much as I like or the amount I want to. I don't feel constipated. I just don't. I feel like I need a flush. So we're gonna go to the Healthy Planet to get this tea. I'll show you guys the tea I'm gonna get and I'll let you know how it works. Anyways, it's 11:35. I need to go pick up Brie because I'm supposed to be there, I think, like in 10 minutes or 5 minutes. I need to go get some water. I am not having breakfast this morning. I don't want to hear nothing. I'm fasting. Okay? I'm fasting for a little while. I don't even feel like eating, so like I'm not gonna eat, period. I don't want to hear people coming for me like, you need to eat. I'm not hungry right now. I'm gonna go and get like a liter or two of water in my body first, even though it's almost noon and I haven't drank any water, but I was laying on the couch. Anywho, let's go on with the day and I'll bring you guys along. I am back, guys. Okay, so I picked up Brie. She got her hair done, you saw, and then I went to Healthy Planet to get the tea I was looking for, and I got my pre-workout. I just want to say, I've never been to Healthy Planet. Who knew? Like, I didn't know that was a full-on grocery store. I thought it was just a supplement store, okay? Like, it just had some, like, healthy pills or, like, whatever, and they sold this tea. I thought they just sold, like, vitamins or whatever. I walk in, I was like, okay, kitchen. Like, they got a full-on, like, not kitchen, but like, yeah, restaurant, like bar situation, full grocery store, produce. Like, I wanted to walk around there. I didn't get a chance to like walk around and spend time in there because I was with Brie. Her iPad was dying. So if you know, you know. She had a short fuse. I had to get home, get them lunch and whatever. So I just got what I needed, but I'll show you. So the first thing I got was this digestive ginger tea. It's called Digestive Support. So I saw, let's just be real, I saw a TikTok and yeah, I want to try it. So I'm gonna try that. I also got, this might just be like marketing, but you see I was already like in there and I was like, I need a tea to help me go. Again, this isn't a weight loss. This is just like, I feel like I'm backed up. So I got, and I got this tea, which is an organic everyday detox tea in lemon. I always have lemon anyways. I'm gonna just try it. That one tonight and just see, like, is it helping? Like, am I going to the bathroom more? Anywho, that's what I got. I also got, this is the pre-workout that I use. It's from Supernova Explosive Pre-Workout. If you do not use pre-workout, I like, don't even get started, because once you get started, it's really hard to come off this stuff. I don't know what it is, but when I take this, like, that mind-muscle connection is going. I am back home. I need to like do other things, but Ian is out and I need to give my children food. So I'm making them lunch. I am debating like what I should do next. I need to go to Walmart. What did I need to do? I need to go to Walmart. I need to return those clothes. I need to go to Walmart and the mall. I'm wondering, do I go to Walmart, the mall, and then just go to the gym? But like, no, because I need to eat at some point. Should I eat now, do all those things, and then go to the gym? Or do I do all those things and then come back here? Oh, I can't decide how I should do this. I think I'm going to go to Walmart, then go to the mall, and then come back here. Once I'm finished making their lunch, I'm gonna run to Walmart, do my errands, and run to the mall. Okay, I'm back really quick. I was just about to leave. And somebody told me, let me check to make sure that there's an Aldo in the mall that I'm going to. Guess what, there's not. Okay? I need to take back these shoes. I need to go to an Aldo. There's no Aldo in the mall that I wanna go to. I also need to go to Zara Kids, not just regular Zara. I need to go to Zara Kids to return back these pants for free. And there's no, which there is a Zara Kids at that mall, but there's no Aldo, okay? So then I'm like, let me just go to the Eaton Center. Let me just go to the like mall downtown Toronto, like when I'm at work tomorrow, and I'll return the shoes and go to Zara. I know there's a Zara there, but guess what? There's an Aldo at that mall, but there's no Zara Kids. And so what I'm trying to say here is I have to go to 2 malls. As soon as I thought I was done crashing out, I get in the car and there's an accident. There's an accident where I need to go. So, just got to the mall. It's packed in here, okay? I could tell. Parking right in the front. Parking! Look at this! You can't even see. Yeah, that right there? That's handicap. Guess what? I'm parked in a spot right beside it, right up in the front. You know, when the devil's working, God gonna work harder, okay? Next up, Walmart. secured the goods. The nice lady actually bagged. I didn't have bags on me, and obviously I picked up more things that I could. And she bagged the stuff for me. One more thing to vent about. Tell me how I go to buy the shaving cream and it's locked up. What? I need someone to go and like unlock it. Y'all really stealing shaving cream like that? Okay. All right.
Is it that sweet? I guess so. That's that espresso. I come from a different oh, make me like that. Yeah. Like you don't have to give your all. Like you don't have to do it right.
Okay. Alright guys, I just got back from the gym. I did a little bit of cardio, like just 20 minutes cardio, and then I went into the sauna, and so I am going to wash my hair now. It is so itchy and oily. So, okay, yeah. See, when my hair is itchy, I cannot deal with it. So I will say last night, because I knew I was going to wash it today, last night, and like, I don't care how it looks right now, but last night I put this oil mixture that I have, which is full with like, it's mostly jojoba, peppermint, tea tree, castor oil. I think that's it, but it's like a few different oils, this little mixture that I make myself. So I oil up like my scalp, I stick it in there and oil up my braids, because you got to take care of your hair underneath your weave. So now I am going to wash my hair because it's itching me. And if I have any advice, if your hair's, your sew-in or your weave, your hair, your scalp shouldn't be itching you. If it's itching, it's dirty. It's like the number one sign that you need to wash your hair. I wash my hair once a week. I do this. I do it on Sunday nights. It's just the best thing. It's kind of a process. But I take my leave out. Oh, I'll show you the products first. So let's start with my natural hair. So my natural hair, I will wash my hair either once with this or twice with this. Last week I did it twice. This is the, what is this? The ORS. I don't know. I've been using this for years and I should know the full name of this company, but I don't. But you guys know. This company, this is so good for my hair. But the aloe vera, it gets all the dirt out. It's amazing. I've been using that for years. Every other week I'll do it twice, and then I'm gonna go in with this brand. Now, there's mixed reviews about this, like people's hair is dropping out. I don't know. My hair's actually really light. The conditioner I use is the Shea Moisture Hydrate and Repair Conditioner. So for my sew-in, I wash my hair. I know it's gonna be crazy, okay? But if you know, you know. I do one rinse with this. Now I know you probably think it's crazy, but this removes all of the dirt and the grease, because you guys know I just oiled like my scalp. My hair is very greasy, and if you have trouble getting like oil out of your extensions, your weave, this, either 1 to 2 washes with this. Today I'm just gonna do 1 wash with this. So I use 1 wash with the Dawn soap, and then I do 2 washes with this moisturizing shampoo. This is just like the Kirkland Costco brand. I like it. And that's it. I do not put conditioner on my extensions. I don't know. It's just, I just feel like I don't like when my hair holds on to oil. I use this moisturizing shampoo, which I feel like is moisturizing enough that I don't need conditioner. If anything, maybe a little conditioner on the ends if they start looking raggedy, but I'm not gonna do that today. First, I'm gonna wash my natural hair. So I just put this hair back. I grab everything in the front, and I'm gonna wash this. To take the conditioner, get water in my eye, and I'm going to saturate my hair. just got out of the shower. Here's my natural hair in its natural state. Yes, she's got any damage. It is what it is. What I'm gonna do now while my leave out is still wet is take about this much of the Cantu Shea Butter Conditioning Repair Cream, and I just put this bit of oil in my scalp, and this is just organic jojoba oil, not something lightweight, and I do it while my hair is wet, and I just rub that in, then I just clip it up like this, and boom. I'm going to towel dry my hair and get dressed. I'll be back. Squeeze all the excess water out of it. I'm gonna go have dinner, make dinner, have dinner, and then probably in about 30 minutes or so, I will come back and dry it.